Alright, checking in peeps. Of course, we have up next Marcy Chin in the building. Today I know one piece of hotness going in there right now, peeps. Yo, big up Rolex in the house. Of course, he is, big management. Him going with things right now. Rolex music and all these things. Marcy, Marcy, but that's why I hear what I go on. Let me hear that little pretty voice there. Say hello to Radio Land.
Hello, Radio Land. How's that for pretty voice?
Yeah, they might hear your pretty voice.
Big up the two school them right true. Listen to it on the way over here, and I don't know the judge them. I'm sorry for no, because me don't know what the winner. Wanna know what the winner?
Yes.
Oh, you know who the winner is? Oh, we don't know me. The truth.
Alright, so peeps, Marcy Chin in the house. She's gonna give us a live performance right now, real quick. You don't know, this is all courtesy of Down Sound Records and the Down Sound team. Peeps, I don't want to tell you who is videoing Marcy. I don't want to tell you, because if I say it, you're not gonna think I lie me I tell. You understand? We love the unity and the vibes right now, people. But now I say nothing, we're not going to sip on the live. Alright, so, Marcy, are you around the place,
If I say Magati, I don't know. Say Magati right through in the comments. Say Eltam right through. I can't me, you really come bout. Nice clean me, you must be mad. Some about me, talk show. Me and my boss, let me all of them start. But get right though. Get right though. If I'm money, me have it right though. And if I don't, it's coming real soon. Girl, whether me in or me out. Quarantine in or me nice clean out. Move around. Some girl I want spot them can't move around. Some girl life sadder than funeral. And it no good, some of them need mineral. Can't look clean no matter how them try how much money them spend. Them still pay back for me now. I can't me a really come out. Nice clean me, you must be mad. Some about me, talk short. Me have a boss, and the whole of them sad. But get right, Jock. Get right, Jock. If I'm money, me have it right, Jock. And if I don't, it's coming real soon. Quick, nothing about you. Watch nice, watch bright, watch cute. Watch growth, oh gosh, talk truth. You level and last me last yo. Never be call cause I'm me at the best topic. And me a keep on it on my them cause you can't stop it. Them a make post say them man bothered. And so me no stress of them covered. Alright. Again, big up to the school them. Want to say my love on I do. I really appreciate it. Because I could have do other things where we don't want. Right? Want to say stop the violence against women, but I have to bring it to the schoolers. Because it starts at the root. You understand? Want to tell you, say, take care of your schoolmate them. When you see the girl them, one of them have things, walk them out. Girls, nobody try pick no fight with no boy. You can't manage. Them stronger than we physically, so nobody with that. Every time. You understand? Love where I deal with. Right now, this one wanna do a big things. Cause we want to keep we name pan them out like lipstick, right? Name pan them out like a lipstick. Name pan them out like a lipstick, like a lipstick. SunCity in your district. Run down friend them they party no keep. Sauce from sauce for me fresh just a drip. Money from line if he beg me a skip. Hey, them a free name pan them out like a lipstick. Click click. Name pan them out like a lipstick. Name pan them out like a lipstick. Click click. The bangers out quick quick. Them get warm like ants at a picnic. We act like fever sick. Now what our time clock a tick tick. Big fat be mommy no fit. Under fit nine no what I know. Designer jeans with the rip. Gucci belt a strap the rubber grip. Gucci belt a strap the rubber grip. SunCity in your district. Run down friend not at all and the party no keep. Sauce and sauce for me fresh just a drip. Money from the line if he beg me a skip. Hey, them a bring name on them out like a lipstick. Click click. Name on them out like a lipstick. Name on them out like a lipstick. Click click. The bangers out quick. Them get to like ants at a picnic. No girl can't intimidate me. No boy can't style me, you're crazy. Strap it for me safety. Make up a trick crazy. Hey, don't leave me, don't leave me. From me in it, off a win it. Call him thicker than a midget. My swag is exquisite. We don't friend not at all in the party no keep. Sauce pan sauce on me fresh just a drip. Money from line of the beg we are. Hey, them a play name and them out like a lipstick. Click click, name and them out like a lipstick. Name and them out like a lipstick. Click click, the bangers out quick quick. Make them swap like a picnic. Big up on yourself. Thank you for having me. Big up downtown right through. Big up my little mate. Him next.
We got D'Yani in the building right now, and he's ready for all of them senoritas.
Oh, go on, go on.
All senoritas.
Rolex, Hansman, oh, go on, God.
Fully.
Yes.
SunCity, big up on yourself. You don't know, Magati. Elton, big up. I want link. Ready up. Watch out. Hey, yo, dear sir. I will say, girl, get your ear done. Hey, money petty on your face done. Hey, it's your birthday, girl. Girl, rock out and not be a fun. Oh, we tell them, watch out. Sunshine, sunshine, sun. I will say money you have to spend from with girl birthday. Anything you want, take a trip, gas pay. Then you ride on it till you make it real. I miss a shopping spree. Come for the birthday, touch lady. Got a couple bands, diamond rings. You can get anything where you need, lift it up again. Birthday. Girl, miss me, I broke out in the worst way we say.
Birthday.
Look at fast, next one. I will say big up, Magati. Big up Elton, SunCity. It's a great look. For the senorita, them over, we tell them we somebody, they a leader. And we say, give me a little time, a little feature. And that do more like it sense to me, yeah. Anywhere we go, we have it. And we say, pretty senorita, that body, they a leader. And we say, give me a little time, a little feature. And that do more like it sense to me, yeah. Anywhere we go, we have it. And we say, pretty senorita, my shot.
See you the first time, me I forget you.
Pull. One more time again. We say, big up SunCity, big up Elton, big up Magati. It's a great initiative. I have to say, give thanks for Downsound team. We're there live. Marcy Chin, Downsound, Rolex. This one represents favorite fallen soldier, Nation Boss. We got it live.
Ace.
You don't know say that for the greatest.
That is it.
Whoa. Run out Hey yo Rolex, watch out. I'm in say what go from. See you doing alright. I know it's been a long time, but I'm grateful despite. Reason with the big man where they are. Tell him to keep you by his side. Know me have your head back, my lord. And when me reach the afterlife, forget to tell you I'm a real friend. I tell love till the end. Forget to tell you I'm a brother. See I'll put my mother, my lord. Might never ever get the chance again for send a messenger. So anytime you see her again, bust a blank, my friends, I will tell them. So much words that we can say, SunCity, but we could not know, okay. I mean, say, wish me the real the signs. Me just sorry, say, we don't know that time. One more time, we say, so much words that we can say, but we could not know, okay. I mean, say, wish me the realize the times. I mean, say, sorry, say, we left me. As time goes on, we learn to accept the fact that life goes on, but that doesn't stop. The journey through this life of sin starts from within and carries on even after dirt up on top. One way in, one way out. Life comes fast and that no slow down. And we say destiny a chance, don't know the half. One more time, bust a black and we tell them there is so much work that we can say. But me good and okay. I mean, say wish me did realize the signs. Me just sorry, say me run out of time now. And I said so much more that we can say. But me good and okay. I mean, say wish me did realize the signs. Me just sorry, say me run out of SunCity. Art of Love D'Yani represent LLAP. Downsound, Rolex, Hansman, Nation Boss, Marcy Chin. Sure, live, living. Welcome, outside.
Hey, what a piece of vibes in the studio. We got one more artist in the house. He's here. No, yo, in there. It's same free like human beings. Man, I tell you. He's in the building, peeps. We just want to welcome the nation boss. Hey, he's gonna talk to the students here. We live right now on SunCity 104.9. Big up the nation boss in the building. Good afternoon, my brother.
Yeah, man, blessings to the whole SunCity crew, you know what I mean? Don't sound, you know it come on one nation, more blessings and love alone, you know what I mean?
Yes.
To all of the students, them know where I do the right thing, continue, because this is straight motivation for we do what we are doing, you know what I mean?
Fair.
Yeah, man, that is it. So you know it go, keep the love flowing, keep the mystic natural, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah,
that is it.
That is it.
Like that.
Yeah, one nation boss. Trouble.
Trouble.
When you see me, I start looking like my last, yeah. Realize me just looking at my thoughts, and bring some things that people don't mean out the past. Now act like some perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before the movie thing, don't know for them, I wear a mask, yeah. Watch them kill it as them trying to run the boss, yeah. Loyalty come with the cause, and I'll be asking over love in a me heart. But anytime your heart too big, my life, then we take it for a fool, This is why me not like you, my heart. This is why me not like you, my hands, no. I can't do just no girl, and remember what you do, my heart. This is why me not like you, my hands. This is why me not like you, my hands, no. Now the people them will stand me as the place, yeah. Like them want me forget all the memories. Me forget but not forget, but kind of for them as some praise. The only thing my beg the Father protect me from enemies. Enough time me get lonely, but company are the lanes. It's a different energy when they get like a crazy. Anisha says she feel it in her brain. This is a natural